everyone, how's everyone doing? So I am back with my full moon tips and timings for the full moon. Now the upcoming full moon technically is on the 15th because it starts in the 15th by 12:45 noon and it goes on till the 16th. But since 16th is buddhapoornima, the day of the birth of Lord Buddha, so I think throughout the world they are celebrating it on the 16th. So now you can also celebrate on the 15th and also on the 16th. I would suggest if you can, do it on both days this time, because since it's coming in that way, and according to the WICCA thing, it is coming on the 16th of May, the flower moon. Basically, flower moon is nothing but blossoming of the flowers, or there is time when all the flowers start having their blossom time. So that's a reason. And also, the flower moon, what we say, or this Buddha Purnima, is more where we work towards our enlightenment, where we work towards letting go of certain things which are no longer needed in our lives, and letting go of emotions, focusing our goals, because technically if you see 5 months are over from the time the year began. So by now we know what we need in our life and how much we have achieved and how much more is left to achieve. So it is time, because usually in June when Litha comes, and when June's full moon comes, now Litha is again a Wiccan festival, what we do is we work towards goal manifestations, like what all we have achieved, what all is left to achieve. So same way here, during Buddha Purnima, go on a retrospective way, see where all things have changed, see where all you have gone wrong, see what all has to be done, or where all things you need to let go. Sometimes things are not right around you. Sometimes that people are backstabbing you or people are hurting you. Let go of it, because end of the day, holding on to a grudge, the person who hurts you is not going to suffer. Holding on to a grudge, you might end up having a health issue, because every health issue is somewhere connected emotionally. This is my very personal and strong belief. So this full moon, why not let go? Why not release all that emotions which are pent up inside? I am trying, if my health permits and if I really get the time, I would be bringing in a full moon meditation. But yes, I am going Insta live, because I am bringing 2 major free workshops for which I would be talking in Insta live that day on the 16th of May. And also I want to do a question answer sessions for certain questions which people do not have the audacity to come and ask me on the face, but ask others. So I thought I might as well answer those questions on my own way, because you all know me for years now. Those who are watching this video have known me for years, and when I say years, it's not 1 or 2 years. Have known my journey since 2007 or 8 or 9, and know that when it comes to certain things, I'm a very open person, and I'm ready to even answer the questions where people are scared to ask me. But when I get to know the questions, I'm always ready to answer. This is my way of actually letting go on this full moon, where I let go of all the questions and I answer it with whole heart, so that people know. And people who have the questions and still have never come and questioned me or asked me will also get the answer. So now let's do that on the 8/16. Now, as I said, on the Buddha Purnima day, try donating clothes to someone. It's a very, very powerful day to donate clothes, to donate things, to do charity. Usually on Buddha Purnima day, I have advised people to educate someone, to spend educational expenses for someone, because June's schools start, so people might need fees. Maybe you can also do that, because there's nothing more powerful than educating a child or feeding a person in need. More than feeding a person in need, I think if you educate a child, his whole generation will have enough of food and enough of money to run the house. So then again, it's up to you. Flower moon, I've always said, do your moon water that day. I know many of you have been following my tips and doing moon water. This time a little bit of change I want to bring. What you can do is, I usually keep the water under the moon with rose quartz crystals. This time use rose quartz tumbles with amethyst little bit, maybe 3 rose quartz and 1 amethyst and 1 clear quartz. Try the energy of the water and see, and I'm sure you'll get back to me telling me what was the change you felt. I will not tell you the change now, because I want you to do it on the day of full moon, whether you're doing it on the 15th or on the 16th or on both the days. I would suggest have a bath first. The first bath which you'll have, take a little bit of coconut water and add a pinch of nutmeg powder in it, the jaifal powder. Have bath with that, have the body bath with that powder, with that water first, and then have your natural bath or have your normal bath. But as I said, coconut water with a pinch of nutmeg powder, the jaifal powder. Again, I don't want to tell what will happen, because I want you guys to come back and tell me what you felt on those 2 days when you had a bath with that powder. And that day, I would like you all to work. 16th is better for the rituals, because as I said, let Buddha also bless us. Let us also come out of things which are troubling us for long. So on that day, in the evening also you can have bath with that water. And what you can do is, you can make a small blessing jar for your home. Now when I say a blessing jar for the home, take a jar and cleanse the jar with sage or with Palo Santo, and in that add a little bit of raw rice, add bay leaves, okay, 3 bay leaves I would say, go with 3 bay leaves, a little bit of rue, R-U-E, rue. If you don't have rue, perfectly fine. You can also add loose sage is easily available. Thyme you easily get in any of the, what do we say, the bakery shops or the people who sell pizza things. Thyme, Himalayan salt, okay, and ginger peel will be better, or ginger powder will be better. Add a few drops of jasmine oil in it. If you don't have jasmine oil, take jasmine flowers and add jasmine flowers in it. Keep this, you put all your family members' names and keep it in your living room somewhere, or keep it in the kitchen somewhere. Every day till the next full moon, shake the jar and say, my family is blessed with health, wealth, happiness, blessings of the universe, blessings of my guru, blessings from the full moon. I am completely blessed and my family is completely blessed. The next full moon, you can discard this in running water, and don't make a fresh jar. Maybe I will come up with some new jar in the next full moon, but try this for 1 month and do let me know what you felt. Now coming to candles. This time I want you to do, by 6:30, take a ghee lamp, take a lamp in which you will put ghee, put orange peel, a small, this much of orange peel, and ginger powder. I think it's called as a saunt, and it is called as chuk in Tamil. In Hindi we call it as saunt and chuk in Tamil. Get the ginger powder, a pinch of ginger powder, a small piece of orange peel in the ghee ka diya. Burn the ghee ka diya. Whatever mantra you want to hear, please hear it. I'm not going to specifically say what you need to do, but what you will do is, with that, you will take a plate where you burn your kapoor, and in that you will burn kapoor, and you will put 2 cloves and 2 cardamoms, ilachi, and let that smell or let that aroma just go in wherever you're sitting and doing this diya. And as I said, you can offer any mantra chanting, you can do anything, but also that day, if possible, offer jasmine flowers to your Lakshmi Mata or to whichever god and goddesses you have in your altar. 6:30 you're doing this. Sharp at 6:45, take a white candle, okay? In that white candle, carve, I am blessed and my family is blessed. Apply lavender oil if you have, or else whatever oil you have. It is the intent that matters, and burn it. Sit in front of it for 5-10 minutes. And again, because why I'm saying 5-10 minutes, because you'll have to make the next preparation at 7:07 p.m. What you will do is, you will take a green candle and you will sprinkle ginger powder in it. You will apply honey and sprinkle ginger powder in it, and you will burn it, okay? And you'll take an orange candle and you will apply rose oil or orange oil with the orange rind, and you will burn it. What will this green and the orange candle do? It will bring in abundance. It will see to it that your career is not getting harmed, because I feel during this retro which is going on, maybe there are chances that some people have some issues in the work. So that is the reason I'm saying this. Financial issues. I don't feel relationship issues will come. That is the reason I'm not saying anything related to relationship. But if you feel there is a relationship issue going on, then at night 10:10 you can burn a pink candle with rose oil, intending that the relationship is becoming better. But at night 10:10 I want you all to do something much powerful and much better. I want you all to take 10 bay leaves. Now you will take 5 bay leaves for you, and you will take 5 bay leaves for your clients, for your friends, for your family, because when you do something to the nature, and if you do good for others, good comes back to you. I've always believed in that. So I'm sure if you're going to do good, good is coming back to you. So the first 5 bay leaves, in one bay leaf you can write whatever is that one wish you want it to be fulfilled within the next full moon. And in the other bay leaf write health. My family is healthy. My family is healthy. My family is blessed. My family is protected. Or me and my family, okay? And my family is earning a lot of money. And one wish, that will be your 5 bay leaves. The other 5, Mother Earth is abundantly blessed and energetic. Please do one for your Mother Earth, okay? 7th one, all my friends are happy in their lives. All my clients are happy in their lives. My neighbors, whoever have come in my lives to teach me, are happy in their lives. The 10th bay leaf, I am blessed by my ancestors. So write off all these and take the bay leaves. The bay leaves should not have any hole, should not have any cuts or anything, okay? And write it with green pen and keep it ready. Exactly at 10:10, one by one start burning the bay leaves. If you have the cauldron, burn it in the cauldron. Now if you are a person who has been initiated by me, then use your magical name and burn it. If you are an eclectic witch or you are a solitary Wiccan, please use your name, sign the bay leaves and burn it, because it will bring in more power, okay? Burn that, and once the ashes are come, throw the ashes under the full moon and ask the full moon to bless and see to it that you are blessed, your family is blessed, your neighbors are blessed, your friends are blessed, Mother Earth is blessed, and thank the full moon that she is always there supporting you and blessing you. Okay, so now that is 10:10. I've already told you all for relationship what to do. One last thing, after you finish all these rituals, take a piece of paper, write down 5 things that have hurt you in this 2022, specifically this 2022. It can be any emotion, it can be any anger, it can be any hurt, it can be, for example, why was I backstabbed? So that's a backstabbing energy. Why did my loved one part me or leave me and go? That's a departed hurt energy. Why am I being cheated? That's an anger. Whatever energy you feel, write that 5 one-liners which you feel has really troubled you, and your emotions have been, in a roller coaster ride for that in this 5 months. Read it out to the goddess, to the moon goddess. Burn that paper. At 11:11 I'm saying this. Burn that paper. Burn a white candle next to it. Burn that paper. Release it. Release it to the moon goddess and tell her, I am blessed that you are blessing me today. There are many in this world who do not get your blessings. So I release these emotions as a gratitude to you, O dear goddess, O mother, O moon goddess, because I am blessed and you are blessing me right now. Burn the paper, throw the ashes in the air. Now as you throw the ashes in the air, just smile at the mother goddess, smile at the moon goddess, and smile at the universe, thinking all that 5 emotions are just going. Now when I'm seeing here, if you see me, I'm smiling, all the emotions are going. I'm happy, I am free, I am blessed. Do try it. Do let me know when you try it, what you felt. Do leave your comments. Do like the video. Do subscribe the channel and share this video with your loved ones, with your friends, with your families. Always remember one thing: when you share a blessing, blessing comes back to you 10 times. So when you share a video, you are blessed 10 times, not only by the goddess, by the moon goddess, by your guru, by everyone, but even the person who sees this and who tries it and who sees miracles in life will bless you lifelong. So have a blessed flower moon. Happy buddhapoornima to you all. I would really pray to God that you all are always happy, always smiling, always healthy, and always prosperous. God bless you all. Thank you.